In this video, we show how to replace the rear I/O board on a PowerEdge R7625. Before removing the rear I/O board, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the R7625 service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the rear I/O board, you must first remove the system board. To remove the rear I/O board, loosen the two screws securing it to the system board. Then, holding the edges, pull it to disengage the card from the system board. To install the rear I/O board, align it with the connector on the system board and insert it. Then, tighten the two screws to secure it to the system board. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.